What is work-based learning and how can we implement it into our high school? Work-based learning or work-study programs. The terms work-based learning, WBL, or work-study programs are interchangeable. For this presentation, I will use work-based learning or WBL. What is work-based learning? WBL is a work-study program that provides high school students with job and career-related skills, as well as real on-the-job experience. High school juniors and seniors in a WBL program typically spend half of their school day at the job or training location. Many receive monetary compensation and/or credits towards their high school diploma or certification. Students with disabilities, a special education teacher serves as their coordinator who integrates education with desired job skills. For students with disabilities, work-based learning offers additional benefits. Participating in a work experience can give them a chance to determine if they can perform the essential functions of a particular job with or without a reasonable accommodation. It also gives them a chance to practice disclosing their disability and requesting accommodations from potential employers while determining which accommodations work best for them. These experiences help students with disabilities develop the confidence and self-advocacy skills needed for success in higher education and challenging careers. Many secondary schools and colleges offer programs that help students gain work experiences before graduation. Work-based learning options may include internships, cooperative education, job shadowing, service learning, independent study, informational interviews, and career services. A few work-based learning experiences. We have cooperative education, job shadowing, service learning, mentorship, school-based experience, externship, entrepreneurship, internship, clinical experience, and apprenticeship. Why should students with disabilities participate in WBL? Through the interaction of study and work experience, students can enhance their academic knowledge, personal development, and professional preparation. Specifically, work-based learning opportunities can help a student clarify academic and career interests, fund education expenses, gain academic credit, apply practical theories from classroom work, and develop human relation skills through interaction with coworkers, gain exposure to specialized facilities not available on campus, develop job search skills, resumes, and cover letters, identify career assistance programs, develop contacts for employment after graduation. Why should the community participate in a WBL program? It helps make education more relevant for the student. It also allows employers to tap into a pool of skilled workers. It recognizes the shared responsibilities for a successful work experience. It also assists state agencies to meet requirements of the federal state laws under IDEA. It strengthens the community partnerships, and work-based learning experiences impact leadership and genuinely engage people in their communities. What makes a great work-based learning program? There are a few very important components of a comprehensive WBL program. The classroom and workplace of learning must be aligned. Application of academic, technical, and employability skills in a work setting. Support from and clear roles and responsibilities for the classroom teachers, mentors, support personnel, and/or workplace supervisors. Training plans must specify learning goals that are tailored to the individual student with specific outcomes connected to their learning in the program. Opportunities for a wide range of learning experiences, assessments to identify skills, interest, and support the students' needs at the workplace, and reinforcement of WBL outside of work. Some work-based learning experiences. One of the 5 required pre-employment transition services, Rehab Act, or amended by WIOA, available for students with disabilities who need them, who are eligible or potentially eligible for VR, vocational rehab, may include in-school or after-school accommodations or opportunities, or experiment outside the traditional school setting, including internships, that is provided in an integrated environment to the maximum extent possible. It's provided in a group setting or individually, coordinating a school-based program of job training and informational interviews, worksite tours to learn about necessary job skills, job shadowing or mentoring opportunities in the community, internships, short-term employment, fellowships, on-the-job training in community, apprenticeships, including pre-apprenticeships and registered apprenticeships, VR or vocational rehab state agency accomplishments, groundhog job shadowing days/month, paid summer work experience programs, after-school work experiences, industry-specific STEAM camps, and internships. Next steps: track and evaluate outcomes. Student surveys, pre-post student evaluation and employer surveys, evaluate program outcome measures, track student progress during and after completion, increased applications for VR services, increased competitive integrated employment outcomes, increased post-secondary credential attainment and or measurable skills gain. These can be found on www.wintac.org, www.wintac.org. I also provided a QR code for easy access to the website. How can we inform students about WBL? Simply put, we need to get the word out. According to an ASA, American Student Assistance Survey from 2020, 79% of high school students stated they were interested in an internship either during the school year or during the summer, but only 3% actually had internship experience. One reason for low participation is lack of awareness about the WBL opportunities. Another barrier is the shortage of businesses willing to participate in this program. The want and need are there for our students. We just need to get the word out. Promoting best practices. ASA has developed a guide to help student systems and communities build capacity and positive outcomes with work-based learning opportunities. The guide features state-level initiatives to ensure equitable access, strengthen infrastructure and communications, set quality and accountability expectations, and more. The guide builds on a 2021 report from ASA and Bellwether Education Partners that analyzes statuses work-based learning supports for school districts and communities. That analysis found very few states had explicit policies aimed to support high-need secondary students and remove barriers to equitable access and success in work-based learning opportunities. Taking what they learned from the analysis, ASA created the new guide to promote effective state programs. Some of the states highlighted in the guide are Delaware, Massachusetts, Rhode Island, and South Carolina. For example, the South Carolina Department of Education partnered with the state's Regional Career Specialist Team, career and technical education administrators, and school counseling and career guidance personnel to find and implement solutions to certain challenges. Some of these challenges include arranging transportation for students to travel to businesses and navigating conflicting school and business schedules. Go South Carolina. These two reports can be found, the positive outcomes can be found at this PDF link that I have enclosed. The 2021 report can be found on this URL. I have also included a QR code for that. What we need to do is spread the word about work-based learning. Thank you.